Probably all the educators that have inspired me throughout my schooling were what probably made me want to become an educator. I had some fantastic instructors in college and some really notable instructors in high school that inspired me, and my parents were both teachers, so there was a lot of teaching going around and it's inspiring me that way, I'd say. I think it starts with developing really strong relationships with your students, knowing them and knowing their needs at both an academic level, but also at a personal level. And from there, modifications and intervention and all that kind of stuff really can flourish. But yeah, you really need to know kind of what your students need and what they need in that moment and who they are, and you modify as necessary in those ways. I think they'd say they learned how to be a professional. I think they would say they learned a lot about the planet and the functions of the various parts of Earth and how things are very much related to each other. They'd probably say they learned a lot about the history of our planet and the various things that they see when they go outside. I think the Excel Award means recognition for being a good educator and being a part of a really important school. We have over 100 amazing educators here, and being able to represent the hard work that everybody does in our school is really meaningful to me. I think I just want to say that I'm grateful to be an educator in this school district, and the opportunities are just incredible, and I'm really lucky to be here.